Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily get the Clash Royale API token on your iPhone and Android device. Do you want to use the official Clash Royale API to access player stats, clan details, battle logs, and other game data directly from Supercell? Well, in this hands-on guide, you are going to learn how to easily copy a Clash Royale API token on both iOS and Android devices in just a few simple steps. So whether you are a beginner, a content creator, a developer building a Clash Royale app, or simply curious about how the API works, I have got you fully covered. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Clash Royale game on your device, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the upper right corner of the screen. And when the menu pops up, you have to choose the settings option to proceed. Now you have to hit the API token button. Then you have to copy your API token, and that's about it. You will now get a confirmation that you have successfully copied the Clash Royale API token to the clipboard. Now you can share it with anyone via messaging app or email. It's worth pointing out that Clash Royale API allows users to connect external apps and websites with real-time game information. Generating a personal API token from the official Supercell developer portal is pretty straightforward. Many users find the process confusing on mobile devices, especially when trying to copy IP addresses, login, or configure permissions correctly. Thankfully, this guide has helped you sort out the confusion. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.